How's it going, bras? Now, I'm in a new attire for the last 2 videos. I was wearing no socks, long pants, and a long sleeve shirt. And I also wasn't wearing sunglasses, everybody. So, today I'm going to show you guys how to take apart your skateboard. Okay, now I just took my sunglasses off. It's easier to see. Alright, first step in the process, you gotta have a skateboard to take apart, bruh. The second step, you got to have a skate tool, unless your dad is a psycho for tools and stuff. Then you're good. First, you gotta flip that board around. You gotta flip it over. Okay, a nice little board here. You gotta go to one wheel. Okay, now what you gotta do is you gotta take your skate tool. You gotta get one of these holes. Okay, you gotta make sure it fits, or else you go back to that store and demand your money back. Alright, so I think the big one fits, or is for this exact replica. I don't know. Anyways, you gotta take the bigger one. Now, just gotta, you gotta take the small one. You gotta make it fit. Okay, it's a small one. Now you gotta just turn it. Okay, keep on turning it until the thing feels really loose. Like, so now, you see how it's off now? Alright, now what you gotta do, you gotta make sure you know where your stuff is. So, you take the wheel off. You know, I got a nice little wheel here. Wait, how to pop out the bearing. So, alright, you go to, get that angle. Alright, you go to this part. You just put that around it, okay? Wrong way. Alright, I'm not putting it back on. Alright, so you just put that on. Okay, now what you do is you have to go to the edge of it, okay? You gotta push down. Just gotta try and get, okay, boom, and that's how you get the bearing popped out. And okay, so now you got know where all your bearings go. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is just do the same thing. Stick your finger, get it out. I don't really care. It's just hard to do because they're not greasy, so it's bad. And they're good bearings. They're reds. All right. Now you guys gotta do this with all 4 of your wheels. It's a pain in the god dang butt. Okay. So now that you have one wheel, it's all nice hollow. Just put it to the side. Okay, now what you gotta do is just do that with all the other stuff. So, I'm just gonna talk to you about some stuff about skateboard while I do this, because I can't time lapse it. So, just, yeah, guys. I'm just gonna try and get these off as fast as I can. Sorry if it takes like a year or a bunch of minutes, but you know, guys, I kind of have to do it. Sorry, I might just try and cut this out, because I used to have this app, you know, Yo Joe, that could just cut your videos for you. So I'm gonna get the app back. Probably gonna cut this part out. You know, it's taking a big waste of. You know what? So another reason you should do this, I mean, it does take a huge pain to get this out. So actually, if you're doing this and you're really bored, take your tool and just try and push it out, knock it out, or knock it through, or jab. Now, I don't want to break my fine artifact. Now, if it's not coming out, just stick it in there. You gotta hold it in the air. Take a wheel, or take some object, and then try it. Look, it's already kind of popping out. Okay, now, you guys should probably do this with me. So actually, we're gonna have a total of 8 bearings, 4 of the nuts, and 4 wheels. So, make sure once you're doing this that you're doing it in the right order. Okay? Okay. So, but you gotta make sure you have all your stuff. So, guys, just follow along with me as I do this, because it's a real pain. Ow. It's a real pain in the gosh darn weasel dinks. So I suggest you do it with me. This video is probably going to be like 8 years long. Oh my gosh. You know what? You know, I'll take this out later. Just take all your wheels off. Okay? Just take all your wheels off. Oh, I'm tightening. Dude, guys, this is so embarrassing for me. I don't know. You know what? Alright, so now, once you got all your wheels off, make sure you have all the stuff that you need. Okay? Make sure that you have everything that you need. Make sure there's no missing pieces. I'm gonna get the first one out this time. That was easy. And this is harder. The second one is always hard, guys. Alright, so now what you gotta make sure you have is you have 8 bearings, 4 hex nuts, and 3 wheels. Okay? Next thing you want to do. Okay, you want to get your tool. Sweet mama tool here. And you want to make sure that it's on right. So now you gotta do is this actually you need a screwdriver too for this. So guys, go get your screwdriver right now while I go get one, okay? Okay, so I got my screwdriver. Sorry guys that took so long. Yeah, so it's a 2-man object. So what you gotta do is put this on that. Just put that there. You gotta put your screwdriver in that hole. And you gotta twist this one left and then twist this one left as well, so that you can take the nut and the screw out because it's important. Okay, now you just gotta do that with all of them. Alright, make sure that the thing is on the left one, actually, this time. So that you're turning this one. You know, I hate doing this, guys. You gotta turn them in different directions. Alright, so eventually, it's probably gonna take a long time. So, I suggest using a skate tool. Now this thing. Okay, put the thing back on. Start. Okay, now eventually it's just going to be really loose. So just push it and just try and screw it off. Now it's not going to just pop off. If it doesn't pop off, then just keep on doing it. Now this is probably going to take about more than half an hour to do. So eventually you can just pop that off, and then, yeah. Okay, now put the nut next to the big nuts. Now, and now you have a screw. Now you have a screw, so just make sure you know where all that stuff is. Okay, now you just gotta do that with all of them. And then you just pop the chunks off. So that's about it for the part 1 of it. I'm going to make a part 2 right after. So, because I'm running out of time. Because I only have 15 minutes of this stuff. So, that's what you do first. If I could cut it, it'd be so much easier. I'll do it the old-fashioned way, so. See you guys in the next episode. Bye-bye.